Okay, so here's a quick trade review on today's trade. What I was looking for was for Tesla to come in strong after gap up this morning. Was looking for pre-market high retest and continuation. Right at the open, that didn't occur. We had a big drop in Tesla, just trended down for the first half hour of the day. And somewhere in here, Q's and SPY, the bottom pretty much fell out. And so I shifted my focus from a long uh, thesis to a short thesis. And what I was looking for at this point was the breakdown and retest of the 338, 390, 339 area, or the earnings high. So we had a nice breakdown, then a retest and weak price action. That was my kind of buy signal, um, or sell signal. I don't remember exactly what my entry price was. Somewhere around here. Stop was just a break above this pivot high, and I was looking for 2R for sure. Um, but ultimately, I wanted to see if we could get this 330 gap fill. So I ended up taking my first scale pretty early. I got pretty nervy and antsy, just because of all the consolidation and choppiness in the Qs and SPY. And so I didn't have as much resolve as I would have liked. I took my first uh, scale pretty quick, 20%. And then I took another 50 right around this low of day. Um, I held my, I took my next 20% closer to that 2R. Um, and then I was just in for 10% trailers looking for 330. Set myself a hard stop at entry and a hard limit order just above 330. Closed the book for the day, had to get the kids to school. So um, it chopped around for a while, made some new lows. I was out on the road. I wasn't here to capitalize. So ultimately, I got stopped out on my trailers at break even. And yeah, that's the day. It was a pretty choppy day. So glad I got a trade in at all. Glad I got an opportunity. And not thrilled about how I managed my scales, but I am ultimately okay with it. I think it was the right way to play the trade. I just don't think I came to that conclusion the right way. It was more of an emotional decision than the context and the chart. So anyway, that's the trade.